How's it going, guys? Danny TV here, and this is my 2008 Jeep Wrangler that we bought from Ohio. So as you could tell, it does have a bit of a rust issue, and we have started cleaning on our rails. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out on my channel. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you like what you see. So we still need to go and clean some of the smaller areas with the air tool, which we'll be doing that. But in today's video, I'm going to focus on disassembling the radiator support and taking my condenser, radiator, and fan off and kind of exposing more of the front rails. We also need to get to our steering box, so that's going to help out taking our steering shaft off of it and cleaning that up because it is a little bit rusted. So we still got a few little sensors. This thing we're going to leave on. We're just going to unbolt it here. And there's also another relay on this other side. Here. So we'll unplug that. And the impact sensor goes here. So we'll just unbolt it from the support. Now that we got the radiator support off and got this whole area opened up, we went ahead and tucked our wiring harness up here. So the next step would be to start working on these lines, getting the steering box disconnected, removing it from the tank reservoir, and start stripping some of this down. Open up. Let me know, guys, if I should remove the motor. I mean, overall it looks in really good shape, just needs to be cleaned up. It feels nice and tight. I've got the steering wheel locked down in a certain position. And we're just gonna unhook that right here. I've got it marked to where we see the bolt on this side.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the side.